Yes, we are Jive Talking on 90.3 WHPC, and that is Chris Switzer on cowbell, by the way. Don't let yourselves be fooled. Live read, and he plays cowbell, too, so this man is a talent.
Not at the same time. Just a quick history on the song. I think one of the Bee Gees, I can't remember who it was, took that rhythm track off a certain bridge that they had to drive over, and it made that
really cool
going over some sort of suspension bridge. It made that noise, and they mirrored it in that song. Yeah,
that is very cool. I never knew that.
All the goofy stuff that you know when you're in radio.
I guess so. Yeah. Boy, you never said that in 12 years of doing the show with me.
No, but I have said this. 516-572-7440. Pick up the phone. Call us. For crying out loud.
That is true.
Come on. Come on. Stand in here.
That and so much more at high noon this Sunday on the MotorMouth Radio Hour. Call in and speak live with the Wizards of Speed and the Live Eat, Ray Carino and Joe D.